Hello, my name is Araceli and I'm a student staff member at University Housing and Dining Service. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the trash compactors at Oregon State University. There are 3 trash compactors for residents to use. One is outside of the ILC on the south side of campus, one is outside Weatherford Hall on the west side of campus, and one is outside of Wisdom Hall on the east side of campus. At the ILC, the trash compactor is the large yellow machine in the fence area. Use your ID card to open the gate. Open the door using the silver handle to throw your trash away. When the compactor looks full, close the door and turn the key to the start position so it compacts the trash. The compactors for trash, not cardboard or recycling. Make sure you put all your trash into the compactor. Don't leave trash, cardboard, or recycling on the ground. At the Weatherford Hall compactor, you do not need to swipe your ID card to open the entry door. Make sure the trash compactor door is closed and press the green button to start. At Wisdom Hall, there is no gate around the compactor. Open the trash compactor door and put your trash inside. You do not need to press any button. UHDS staff will run the Wilson trash compactor when it's full. Thanks for keeping our campus clean and throwing away your trash correctly.